Bob Purdy. I'm from Mitchellville, Iowa. 1977 Trans Am. It's a true black and gold car with the 4-speed in it. And so I bought it for $500. Ever since I was 6 years old, when our dad took us to the movie Smokey and the Bandit, that was a car that I fell in love with. My brother Arlen, he did the engine, and I did the transmission, I did the interior, I did the body and paint, and then he also helped me with the T-tops. This was the crown jewel, was the T-top. I've had all kinds of people before I put this on, they were like, boy, that's a beautiful car. Too bad it doesn't have T-tops. And I tried to always brush that off, but deep down inside, that's what I always wanted, was T-tops. A friend of mine, Bill Byford from New Mexico, he was a Burt Reynolds stand-in for several movies that Burt Reynolds did. Cannonball Run, Smokey and the Bandit 2. He was so generous enough to send me that license plate for my 50th birthday. This car has never been a waste of my time, I can tell you that. It's always been money well spent, time well spent, always.